Hi beauty, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Mabel. If it is your first time, what are you waiting for? Be a part of this amazing family. Click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload new video. Thank you so much. You guys have been so amazing and supportive. Today I want to formulate my amazing face cream, which is the niacinamide with Arbutin. And this, I'm making a 500 ml. I've already measured out my ingredient. In this, I've got the oil, I've got the water, which is the liquid phase. This is the oily phase. I'm going to add the preservative I'm going to add the wax in it to melt it using the double boiler. And also we have the antioxidant phase. So I want to pour this in the oil. Measurement goes a long way. Make sure you get the right measurement. So I'm gonna put this in the double boiler and come back. I just want to show you guys how I do my double boiler if I have to use this method. So you put your water in any container that you want to, pot, fry pan. So I have my cloth here, so I'm just going to put it on in it. You know, that means you're not putting your product inside the double boiler because this is heavy. It's going to go down, and the heat is like you applying the heat from the stove, irrespective of if you put it at the lowest, you're applying it directly onto it. So to avoid that, just put this cloth there, so the heat from the oven, from the gas cooker, is going to heat the water, which will penetrate, and the steam will come up and come onto this. So that is the best way to do it. And that way you're preserving and the potency of your ingredient, like the oil that you've added in it, so that they can work effectively on your skin. So I'm going to measure out 25 of the glycerin. I've got leftover from here, so I see how much I can get out. I'm just going to complete it. This company, I love their product. It's very thick. So I'm going to add vitamin E. Measurement goes a long way. Yeah, exactly what I wanted. So this I'll put aside. So the water, I added goat milk in it. So now I'm just gonna pour you can pour the oil in the milk. When I took it out from the double boiler, I had to measure it to make sure that the water is still the same quantity in it. So if not, you add a bit inside. So just want to show you what to expect. Because of the quantity I measure, you have to work with the recommended dose, and as well as also with the pH balance of the skin as well. So ingredients you're using, for you to formulate, you need to understand the basic concept of organic for you to formulate. Apart from writing your recipe, you know manufacturer recommended dose and pH as well, so that it can all balance up and it can work effectively on your skin. So you need to understand your pH chart, which is very, very important. Yeah, you can see. So my product now, I can use it and add other product to formulate it properly. So you can see it's getting very thick now. So I'm just going to wait a bit and keep blending. So now I've checked the I'm just going to take this. I've checked the temperature, so this is the best time for us to add our glycerin. Do you see, help bind every component that you add in it together? That is your pupuniga core. So I'm just gonna add this here. So now I'm going to add this. This has vitamin E and the propylene glycol in it. So I'm just going to add it inside. Like I said, this is the end product of my, you can see, very fluffy. So I'm keeping this for other formulation. And your base cream, like I said, this is organic, purely organic, niacinamide and Arbutin with nourishing oil, and also oil that gonna white. I added my Egyptian oil and also my whitening oil in this, which will help to glow and brighten up the skin. This is an amazing face cream that, trust me, great results. You need to understand the benefit of the ingredient you're going to formulate with, and also the recommended dose. That is the factory dose, recommended dose, and also the pH. You need to understand it when you're trying to make your product from the scratch. Also, you can also use your base cream. You can add other product into it, like if you have serum that you want to boost or activate the lightening potency in it, that you can't wait 6 months or so for your complexion to grow. I'm going to leave a picture of mine when I started YouTube and now for you to compare. You can see the great difference. Patience and consistency goes a long way. For those of you that say you want white within 2 days, trust me, I am not the person you have to come to, because I will turn you down. You have to be patient. Patient goes patient goes a long way. Being patient goes a long way, and consistency is the key. Exfoliating and using your cream, use it generously for you to get that good result. You need to apply your marks, use toner, cleanser. You need to pamper your skin. Eat good food, drink loads of water. It helps a lot. Like the Juice Plus I talked about, that product is amazing. Don't listen to other people. That product is amazing. It's real. I use it. It's what I use. Trust me, it's good. It's made with plants. It's plants. Trust me. Instead of you getting all type of 5 different type of fruits and blend, and at the end of the day you can't keep it so long in your fridge. This product is already dried and already made into capsule, which you can take every day. You just need 2 capsules every day. It will help you a lot. And this product, like I said before I forget, you can also add other lightening ingredient to boost the effect, but you need to know what you're adding into it, because you don't want to complicate or mess up with the pH. At the end of the day, if your pH falls into acidic, you're just going to damage or burn your skin. It's not going to, you're just going to damage your skin. You don't need it. So if you want to go ahead and do that, that's your own, But me, you have to be careful, like I said, understanding the pH balance and the ingredient you're adding into your cream to formulate or pro-mix. This is what I'm talking about. To pro-mix your cream to give you that more boost or activate lightening effect, and it goes a long way. So thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Be a part of this amazing family. You can see how it is. This is the consistency I want. If you also want to make the consistency to be more not too thick like this, you can add rose water. Don't add distilled water. Rose water is good, it's a great toner. Okay, thank you so much, love you guys, bye, subscribe. And again, my summer is coming up. Don't forget, in the month of November, which is just next month,